Now, Isaiah Sharp with the Idaho News 6 forecast.
As you can see, taking one look at the village at Meridian, you notice some of the reflections on the pathways right now and the very high humidity that we're tracking up to this point. It has been a very wet close to the weekend. Sunday, a very much needed return of some of those showers. We had a dry Saturday, which was great, but just as quickly as that rain went away, it reintroduced itself very quickly this morning, and it's been going on all ever since about 8 a.m. and continues on. Bogus Basin right now, unfortunately, receiving some rain. The cooler temperatures haven't made their way all the way up into the mountains right now, too. They got 5 inches of snow from this morning, but some of that rain might have knocked it down a little bit. So when is the cooler weather and the precipitation set to move on in? Let's take a look at that forecast and see when we might start to see some cooler temperatures on the way. We'll have a little bit of a clearing out heading into Monday, but Tuesday we'll have a return to those showers just for another system to rock on in. Heading into Wednesday, might see some drier skies. As you can see, southern Idaho is going to stay not on the wetter side. A lot of the wetter conditions going to be closer to Portland, Wairika. A lot of activity for northern California expected on Christmas Eve. But this bend that we're seeing right here going to give a good shot at some cooler temperatures heading into next weekend. I just checked my laptop just a few moments ago, checking in with the National Weather Service, and still we are tracking to be one of the warmest Decembers on record, the warmest ever since tracking started back in 1940 at the Boise Airport. I try to keep repeating it because this has been a historic up to this point December, and just coming off of a historic November, which we saw the 6th warmest all time. So December is still continuing to be warm, but that trend might start to move as this low pressure system makes its way in. We are expecting some showers on top of our Christmas Eve, and Christmas Day we'll have some showers as well. You can see lots and lots of snow up in Washington, and expecting some snow up into those mountain ranges too, but you can see some deep some of the deeper green closer to Bogus Basin area because the warm temperatures are just sticking around a little bit too long. But this low pressure system, we've been watching it just to the south of Alaska. It's now starting to drift on down into the Pacific, and it's something to watch out for because it might start to bring those cooler temperatures that we have been waiting for. And you see how low that system is as it starts to make its way in. This is going to bring in the very cool temperatures that we've been waiting for when it comes to needing some snow. So here's the snowfall totals expected just over this week. Only a couple more inches up at Bogus Basin, 11 inches over in Ketchum, 8 inches for both Tamarack and Brundage up near Valley County. And then heading into the end of the year, we'll get another burst of snow, but nothing too crazy when it comes to closer to the foothills. And the wetter than normal conditions starting to dissipate. As you can see, Boise, Twin Falls, and Idaho Falls sitting in the normal category. So here's a look at your forecast. Some more rain on the way, drier skies for Monday and Tuesday. We're expecting some rain and snow mixes on Friday, but then that dip in temperatures is expected going into the weekend. Similar for the Treasure Valley as well, consistent 50s across the board and lots of rain, but we're expected to fall into the 40s with cooler winter temperatures on the way Saturday and Sunday.